Introducing the sleek and stylish 2023 Hyundai i20 Deluxe Plus 5 Door Auto in white. Packed with luxury features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, and power steering, this hatchback is perfect for your everyday commute. With safety in mind, it includes ABS, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning. Plus, enjoy convenience with cruise control, electric folding mirrors, and voice control. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't wait. Contact us at kevinoleary.ie or visit our website for more information on this top-of-the-line Hyundai i20. Drive in style and comfort today.